upside. Gotta be jacked if you want to run the car. I got it. Alright. Let's do this. What's up, guys? We got the 1,000 horsepower daily in the back. In the meantime, we got the summer car right here. In the past few months, very secretive things have been going on here. Look at the new differences we got. Fresh powder coated frame. It's so clean that you can eat off of it.
So what are you doing?
Nothing.
Sir, what is that on your face?
I was eating! As you can see, the Monte has finally gotten some long-awaited upgrades. Check it out. Come. We got some LS adapted motor mounts painted black. We got our new suspension parts right here. Upper control arms from UNI. Lower control arms with the sway bar right here. Boom. It's gonna handle like amazing. What else we got? Come over here. Come over here. We got coilovers instead of some regular old shocks. Look at this. Coilovers. Boom, Viking coilovers. If you look on that side, there's not one on that side. We gotta change that today. We're gonna be putting that in, installing that. I finally got lucky at the casino. We didn't lose any money. We made some money, 10 bucks. New purchase right here.
How much was it?
5,000. All right, let's assemble the other coilover, put it in. So this is the workbench we're gonna assemble it on. Not even a bench, it's a toolbox. Right here, got our spring. See that? Whole kit. We'll take our coilover out. Shop. Get those angles, cameraman. Get those angles. Ooh. All right. I don't know what I'm doing. Just kidding, right there. So, first step, we're gonna install these snap rings and these bushings inside. Gotta get the snap ring pliers out. Essential part, insulation. Snap rings. Throw it in there. Uh-oh. Hold on, we're having technical difficulties. Oh yeah, there we go. We got one seated. Hold on, gotta go. There we go. All right, now we're gonna throw in the bush. This bushing. There we go, it just falls in place. Now we gotta put another snap ring, other side. Boom. This side is done. Ready to go. Gotta do this side now. This is peak quality. There we go. Another one in. There we go. Throw our last one in. There we go. Boom. Now it's ready to be thrown in. Just kidding, we got one. Now that we got both sides ready, we're gonna extend the shock. A lot of oil. Okay, we're extend the shock all the way. We're gonna make a mark in the middle, and then an inch above, an inch below. Inches like right there. Okay, we now have our markings. This is where the shock's gonna sit, right in between here. Now, we're gonna install everything else. Need some anti-seize on here. Very important. Look at my hands. I'm gonna lick these clean. Now we got the shock and it's seized up. We're gonna throw everything on. So first step, let's throw a jam nut on. And get it down to the ground. Okay, next step, we're gonna throw our spring seat on. Get these down. This should be good. Now that we got those on, we're gonna throw on thrust washers and bearing. Also put anti-seize on there too. Let that season up. We're gonna get another one on top. My hands are silver. I look like Silver Surfer. Alright guys, we're gonna throw the spring on. Pretty heavy duty, if you ask me. Next step, gotta throw the top lock on. Almost dropped it. Cannot be dropping that, right? Okay. So this is good enough to install and fix later. So now let's go put it in. A little bit of anti-seize ain't hurt nobody. I feel like carrying my baby right now. Quick adjustments. Bite. Twist. Look at that. Listen to that. Beautiful. Let's throw her in. Almost dropped her. She's kind of stuck right now. There we go. I need to listen. Okay. I'm gonna put it in at the bottom. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's just gonna hold it for now. It's not gonna fit. Stay tight. I'm just trying to get it in. It'll get adjusted later. Redneck engineer. I really hate for this wrench to slip and I slam my knuckles. I really hate for that to happen. Good thing it's not. Okay. Now, after a little off-camera finesse, both sides are in. Both sides got the shock on. Coilover, suspension is ready. Alright guys, the Monte now has a full front suspension set up here. That's ready to go. Our next step would be to get the differential in and the rear suspension. I am a little bit in the future now, so the Monte does have brake rotors and calipers that are going to go on, and that's about it for now. So next step is probably the differential and getting that all in, and then the frame will be a roller. That's all I have for now, but stay tuned for other work on the car and future things to come.